Hi dear students, now we'll work out the derivation of coefficient of friction by using Petrov's equation. So for the coefficient of friction in case of lubrication and bearing, mainly there are two varieties. One is Petrov's equation and another one is Mecke's equation. Generally we are preferring Petrov's equation. It's a derivation we have to learn now. This coefficient of friction is very important in case of lubrication and bearing. So the Petrov's equation gives the coefficient of friction in journal bearing. Especially it assumes that shaft and bushings are concentric. Here shaft, journal and bearing is nothing but bush, both are concentric. In reality, the shaft is not concentric with the bearing, but the coefficient of friction predicted is quite good. So here we can consider these two as the assumption. One is journal as well as bearing. Both are concentric, generally which is not there during the operation procedure. So here we need to consider those two as the fundamental reference. Now look at this figure, what he has given. In this bushing, there is nothing but bearing, which has been kept journal. So journal is nothing but shaft and bearing is nothing but a bush. So here we know that in journal bearing there is no question of balls or cylinders. Here oil will take the entire load, entire bearing load. So here there is a provision to fill the oil, that is oil fill hole, and give a sump is there. So through which the fluid is going to flow, and here the load is acting in a downward direction because shaft will take the load always in the direction perpendicular. Generally the resisting force is acting in the opposite direction to the downward load, and indication here R is there, C is there. C is nothing but clearance, that will study in the next pic. Now we'll consider the same journal bearing as per our reference as shown in the figure. Bearing journal is a portion of the shaft inside the bearing. It has been kept inside the bearing, and oil which surrounds the journal. Inside the casing of bearing, this oil is flowing. So consider the d, small letter d is nothing but diameter of the journal, and capital D is nothing but journal of the bearing. Let us consider some of the dimensions of a journal bearing, such as capital D is equal to diameter of the bearing in terms of mm, small letter d is the diameter of the journal in terms of mm, C is the diameter of clearance capital D minus small d. These are the dimensions we already seen in earlier pic. Next one is xi. It is denoted for diameter clearance ratio, that is equal to C by D, and capital L is equal to length of the journal in terms of mm. N, here we are supposed to be careful, speed of the journal in terms of RPS, revolutions per second. V is equal to velocity at the journal surface, pi d n. A is equal to surface area of the journal, pi d l. P is equal to bearing pressure. It is defined as the ratio of load to the projected area. That projected area is L into D, and H, that is minimum film thickness or thickness of the lubricant. In this case we assume that thickness of the lubricant is uniform throughout the circumference. The reason is here we have taken the condition that shaft, that is journal and bearing, both are concentric. For the derivation of Petrov's equation, we must consider the Newton's fundamental law, that is Newton's law of viscous flow, which states that the shear stress between adjacent fluid layers is proportional to the velocity gradient between the two layers. According to that, we can get two of the equation. One is tau is equal to ZV divided by H, and another equation when the shear rate is constant, that is tau is equal to ZV by H, and one of the fundamental equations, shear force divided by area, that is tau is equal to F by A. These two are the fundamental equations we need to consider for the derivation. So here we considered viscous flow. Since we are using lubrication, there will be a viscosity that we need to consider. Now, by equating equation 1 and 2, since shear stress is equal to F by A and shear stress is equal to ZV divided by H, we'll equate both and we are getting the relation Z is equal to FH divided by AV, or we'll substitute the unknowns, relations. We are getting the relation as Z is equal to FCR divided by pi dl into pi dn. And after rearranging, we are getting Z is equal to F into radial clearance CR divided by pi square DLN 2R, and call this as equation number 3. And after calling that as equation number 3, next we need to consider frictional force at the journal surface. That frictional force at journal surface will be the product of coefficient of friction and load on the bearing. And we already considered load on the bearing as W, and coefficient of friction will consider as F or mu. According to latest data handbook, it is coefficient of friction they took as mu, or we'll consider F. Anyway, both are correct. Here frictional force F is equal to F into W. After calling equation number 4, that is frictional force F is equal to F into W. Next we must substitute this equation in equation number 3. We are getting Z is equal to F into W into CR divided by pi square DLN 2R, or Z is equal to F into CR into W divided by pi square 2RN into DL. And consider that, call that as equation number 5, and consider that W by DL is a pressure, force divided by projected area. P is equal to W divided by DL, and replace that. Equation 5 is going to become Z is equal to F into CR divided by pi square 2RN into pressure P, or we can write the relation as F is equal to 2 pi square ZRN divided by C suffix RP, where C suffix R is nothing but radial clearance that we are supposed to keep in our mind. And on rearranging this equation, we are getting F is equal to pi square divided by 0.5 into 10 raised to 6 into Zn divided by P into R by C. Here I have written separately Zn by P into R by C. That is for the next characteristics equations such as Sommerfeld number, Reynolds number, and all that we'll discuss later. Now this above equation, that is F is equal to pi square divided by 0.5 into 10 raised to 6 Zn by P into R by C, is called equation or expression for coefficient of friction by Petrov's